In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The inauguration of a new administrative building for the Department of Public Benefits in Zabul province valued 18.3 million Afghanis. The prevention of a marriage of an 8-year-old girl to a 6-year-old man in Shenwari, the district of Nangarhar province. And the distribution of 8 packages to 1,000 families in Pashto and Panjshir provinces. Welcome to the news package. Is Wednesday, the 1st of Ramadan Mubarak 1447, the 29th of Dal 1404, and the 18th of February 2026. The news details. Mohammad Ashraf Akhshanas, the spokesperson for the Minister of Public Benefits, announced that construction of a new administrative building for the Department of Public Benefits in Zabul province has been completed and officially inaugurated at the cost of 18.3 million Afghanis. Based on Mohammad Ashraf Akhshanas, the building has been constructed on 1 acre of land and consists of 3 floors with 18 rooms. It is fully equipped with essential administrative facilities and infrastructure. The media office of Nangarhar Governor's Office reported that its religious inspectors from the Department of Promotion of Virtue, Prevention of Vice and Hearing of Complaints prevented the marriage of an 8-year-old girl to a 6-year-old man in Shenwari, the district of Nangarhar province. The statement added that the girl's father, who is addicted to narcotics, had intended to marry her off to the man in exchange of money. The news continuation. A 47-year-long feud between 2 families in Neka, the district of Paktika province, has come to an end through mediation by local authorities, religious scholars, and tribal elders. The Minister of Interior stated that the enmity had begun following the death of a member of one family as a result of an incident. And ultimately, the Afghan Red Crescent Society distributed winter assistance to 1,000 needy and returning families in Panjshir and Pashto provinces, including 500 families in each province. The organization stated that each family received 3 packages containing winter clothing and other essential items. We have reached the end of our news program. For further informative materials from Urooj Research and Broadcasting Administration, you could track us on social media and platforms. May the Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the holy months of Ramadan grant His mercy and blessing on Muslim Ummah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.